Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're in the home and we're here to help you decide which portable outdoor chairs to buy today. As always, don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mention are in the description down below. When it comes to seating for outdoor movies or catching a show in the park, sometimes you need more than just a good blanket. With convenient carriers and lightweight frames, the portable outdoor chairs are still super portable that will give you the comfort and back support you need. In this video, we provide the top 5 best portable chairs that will suit your preference. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The portable outdoor chairs that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, review in the marketplace, quality of finish and price, and where possible we have been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the #1 position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The portable outdoor chair coming in at number 5 on our list is the Yeti Trailhead camp chair. Our team found the Yeti Trailhead to be one of the most comfortable and high-quality camp chairs. It is firm but soft and springy, so it keeps you upright and cradles your curves without putting pressure on them. The material is also extremely light and breathable, which is ideal for warm days. Yeti comes its way into the market by creating a chair that is overbuilt and more sturdy than its aged competitors. Solidity is, of course, the trade-off. It feels more like patio furniture than a packable chair once it's been rapidly assembled. Aside from the comfort factor, general durability is unquestionably the best feature. According to our research, the aircraft-grade aluminium frame on this chair has been heat-treated for 25 hours. The frame is designed to hold over 3,000 pounds. However, the material is limited to 500 pounds. Our team tested the chair's performance when someone sat in another's lap, and everything seemed to work fine. GridGuard mold technology provides a molded layer to the chair, keeping you comfy while also preventing any additional hazards for your children. If you're a die-hard football fan, this chair is ideal for a pre-game barbecue at the stadium or even outside your RV. You can fold it up when you're done, and the 16.5 pound weight limit makes it easy to transport. While it is easy to tip the chair from the bottom, it will not budge if you put all of your weight on one side. Based on our team research, we found that the Yeti is a well-liked outdoor brand in general. Although the price of the product is expensive, if you sit back and relax, it begins to make sense. The chair is meticulously engineered for unmatched durability, intense comfort, and hands-free portability. The portable outdoor chair coming in at number 4 on our list is the NEMO Stargaze Recliner Luxury Chair. This NEMO Stargaze Recliner is one-of-a-kind product that combines the benefits of reclining, rocking, swinging, and hammock seats to provide unparalleled relaxation. The reclining feature is really comfy, making it simple to relax. This ventilated chair is made completely out of fine mesh and folds up into a small package for easy transport. The carry pack contains an interior storage pocket for a few small extra items, which makes transportation even easier. It also includes a top loop for simple one-handed use. The chair has X-frame poles, which our team found to be one of the most important components for staying upright. It also helps the foot to spread out wide in separate directions, which adds to your stability. Another significant feature is that the Stargaze dries quite rapidly, so it's not a problem if you leave it out in the rain. You can enjoy a full view of the night sky thanks to the supporting headrest and deep reclining motion. With the mesh serving as the majority of the material, ventilation is guaranteed. This means you will be able to use it on those hot summer days to keep the heat from building up too much. The chair offers a lot of storage space, and since they are all water resistant, you can even keep some of your belongings in and around it when you need them. The Stargaze is a high-quality piece of equipment and one of the most comfortable camp chairs we've ever sat in, so the price seems more reasonable. This chair feels durable and solid, but it's still light and portable. It can be well worth the cost for you if you like to recline horizontally rather than upright, or simply want to try something new. The portable outdoor chair coming in at number 3 on our list is the LENCE Outdoor Ultralight Portable Folding Chairs. This chair has a simple folding design and comes in 4 colors, so you can be able to find something to your liking. The chair can support up to 242 pounds of weight, although this chair is lighter than many others on the market. LENCE's chair compensates for this in other ways. With a weight of under 2 pounds, this ultralight camping chair lives up to its name. If you don't want to use the travel bag that comes with the chair, it could easily fit into a backpack. Even on planes and trains, this chair fits effortlessly into overhead storage spaces. The thickness combined with the Oxford fabric's natural toughness guarantees that the chair can withstand all of the hardships of camping. As long as you don't use the chair aggressively, you won't have to worry about any damages. The mesh that LENCE has built into the fabric only adds to the comfort level. It allows air to move freely through the chair, so this breathable mesh will help you keep cool on hot summer days. LENCE wants to make assembly as simple as possible, which is where the frame's convenient bungee cords come in. All you have to do is shake the frame a little and everything will start to fall into place. After that, you need to put the fabric into place and your chair is ready to use. The chair's durability is boosted by an aluminum alloy frame that adds stability without adding weight. Our best buy on a tight budget goes to LENCE. It is a great pick for both life and your money if pricing and portability are your top priorities. The portable outdoor chair coming in at number 2 on our list is the Helinox Chair 1. The Helinox Chair 1 is composed of a titanium or aluminium alloy that offers benefits in terms of strength, weight, and durability. The frame of this chair can swivel on either of its 2 plastic joints due to its design. This helps it to adjust to different terrain, but it can also be unsettling at first. Despite its fragile appearance and lightweight, which is stated to be 320 pounds, this chair is a solid little chair. Our team can testify to the chair's ability to comfortably support a 200-pound person. This chair is very easy to assemble. Its frame begins to snap together as soon as you remove it from its package. The seat stretches across the frame's basic 4 poles once it is put together. Each of these poles is color-coded and fits into a compartment on the back of the seat. The poles look to be extremely long-lasting. A nylon daisy chain and 2 large handle hoops are included into the chair's storage for attaching to it other items of gear. This can be connected to the chair's frame to prevent the storage bag from being lost during assembly. Its frame is made up of anodized aluminium rods that are all held together by an internal bungee. The bungee keeps the structure together when disassembled, making the chair much easier to assemble. Overall, the Helinox Chair 1 is an incredibly comfortable chair. It is slightly tilted and provides enough back support. This is durable, stable, and a comfortable model, which is great to pick to serve you well on a wide variety of adventures. And finally, we come to the number 1 portable outdoor chair on our list, the GCI Outdoor RoadTrip Rocker Chair. The GCI Outdoor RoadTrip Rocker Chair is a one-of-a-kind rocking chair with strong armrests and a collapsible design. On the front of the frame, there is a cup holder as well. This has an out-of-the-way placement which helps you to avoid spilling your beverage. This rocking chair boasts one of the easiest setups and take-down systems of any of the chairs on our list. The seat is ready to rock by simply pushing the sides away from each other. Pull the seat up and compress it sideways with a handle on one side to move it to your next location. The rocker's robust steel frame keeps its shape, and a cloth handle on the back lets you carry it like a suitcase anywhere you want to go. This chair has a weight capacity of 250 pounds, which is approximately the same as other camping chairs we tested. The powder-coated steel frame and ripstop polyester fabric appear to be fairly sturdy. It has a carrying handle built into the frame, eliminating the need for any extra storage bag or an awkward grab. We didn't mind taking this chair with us in the car and even to events where parking was easy to come by. The extra pair of front legs is another unique feature. This improves stability while also adding functionality. As you lean forward, the chair rests on these 2 front legs as well as the end parts of the bars. Our team was hesitant about an outdoor rocking chair's authenticity and comfort, but the GCI Outdoors Freestyle Rocker impressed us. We think that this rocking chair is a great combination of comfort, convenience, and simplicity. It all comes at a great price and deserves to be on the top spot on our list. And there you have it, folks, the 5 portable outdoor chairs which got our team in the home excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next portable outdoor chair roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below and we will be sure to take a look over it for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you in the home again soon.